Welcome to the second lesson in the CorelDRAW series for beginners. Now in this lesson we're going to look at using some tools in Corel. And the first tool we're going to look at is the pick tool. Now the pick tool, this is the first tool up here, and it's used to transform or move objects within your page. And if you click on it, you can see it has its own properties over here. Now the other tool is the rectangle tool. If you right click on it, it will show you, if you click this icon down here, it will show you the options that it has. So I'll select it and come here, click, left click, and then hold down and drag it out to create a rectangle. Now if you want your square, all you have to do is hold on Control and you have a square. Now this is where the pick tool comes in. You can click on it and then come here and then move it around. I can also come over here and resize it. I've made it smaller, or I can come here and transform it. Now it's a rectangle, so I'll press Ctrl Z to undo that. So now I'm left with a square. Now you can see I only have the outline. As you can see, the outline is on and it's color black from over here, but we have no fill color. Now if you like to add a fill color, all you have to do is now to the outline. Let's first look at adding a color to the outline. I'll come to this color palette and I'll right click on a color, and then it will change the color of the outline. I'll come and right click again on a different color, and as you can see, it will change the color of the outline. If I come over here and right click on it, it will remove the outline. So the outline is gone. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo that. Now the outline is back, and right click again, it's a different color. Now if you want to add the fill color to this square, all you have to do is come over here and left click on any color, and as you can see, now we have a fill color. Again, left click and we have a different color. So I'm going to remove the fill color by left clicking on this icon over here. And as you can see, the fill color is gone. And now I'll come over here and change the width of this outline. Come over here. Let's make it better. A little bigger than that. That's too much. Let's take it at 2. Yeah, better. So I'll come here, right click, change the color, and then come here, left click, and we have a fill color. Then we have the zoom tool. This is the zoom tool. If you click on it, you can see we have options here, so you can zoom in. So I'll just drag this away, center this, and then you can zoom out by just pressing over here. You can zoom out, and you also have other options here. You have zoom to page height or zoom to page width. So feel free. Also, you can scroll. If I scroll upwards, I'm zooming in, as you can see. If I scroll downwards, I'm zooming out. I'll just adjust that a little bit. Over here, zoom out, and there we go. So those are the three main tools we have in Corel that you'll find yourself using a lot. That is the shape tool, the zoom tool, and the pick tool. Now another thing I forgot to include in the first lesson was the page numbers. Now you can see here you have only one page, that is page 1. If I wish to add another page, I can click on this icon over here, this little icon. If I click on it, it will add another page. Now another way you can go about that is by right clicking on the page, and then it will give me options. So I can choose to rename the page, so I can come here and rename it to example 2, click OK, and as you can see, my page name has been changed. Okay, again, if I right click, I can insert a page after, that is page 3, or insert a page before. Now that's page 2. My example 2 became page 3. I can duplicate the page. So if I had something over here and I wanted to duplicate it to another page, I'll just use this command. And I can also come here and delete page. So I'll come here, delete page, come back again, delete, and I'm left with the first and only original page. That is page number 1. See you in the next lesson.